Hi, Mary. Thank you for helping fix this little seat back problem. The first thing you have to do is remove that seat back retaining screw from the back end of that shaft, then slide out the old seat. Then pop out the plastic end cap from the top of that riser. Now here's the tricky bit. I want you to back out that little stop screw, that bolt there, just about 1/8 of an inch, just long enough, maybe 1/4 of an inch, to apply 1 drop of red thread lock. Then tighten it back up. Then apply another drop of that red thread lock to the exposed threads at the end of the bolt. Now here's the tricky bit where skinny fingers come in handy. I want you to take one of the nuts we provided and put it onto that bolt. You may have to reach down in there and hold it with your finger and then spin it like that, like Chris is doing. And once you've got it on there, it'll tighten up nicely with your finger. Then take a 3/8 inch ratchet and just give it about a good quarter turn to tighten it up. Crank.
Go.
Now, take the new seat back, insert it through the riser, and rock it a little bit. Then replace that retaining bolt at the end of the shaft, and you're done, except replace the black cap on the top of the riser shaft. Thanks.